Scout goes trick-or-treating on Halloween.
Scout is so excited to go trick-or-treating today. Let's help him learn about what to do when trick-or-treating. Scout runs to the first house, then freezes. What should he do first? If you said,
Ring the doorbell or knock on the door.
you're right. Do you remember what to say when someone opens the front door? If you said,
Trick or treat.
you are correct. The person who answered the door loves your costume. Tell him or her what you are dressed as. Say it loud and clear. Remember to use eye contact.
I am a pirate.
This person is holding a big bowl of candy. Scout tries to take the whole bowl of candy. Is this right?
No.
Scout, only take one piece of candy. We need to remember other children are trick-or-treating and want candy too. If the person handing out candy offers you more, you can take one more piece. Scout is so excited to get more candy that he runs to the next house. He forgot to say something very important to the person handing out candy. Come back, Scout. What should he say? If you said,
Thank you.
you are correct. You can also say,
Happy Halloween.
please remember,
We only go to the houses that are well lit.
bring a flashlight or a glow stick so people can see you too.
Make sure to stay with your adult.
And never run towards the road.
Have a happy and safe Halloween. Happy Halloween.